Hi guys, today we will cook arepa with meat and vegetables. The ingredients: black pepper, English sauce, soy sauce, mustard, salt, barbecue sauce, paprika, onion, garlic and meat. Of course, corn flour. Let's go with the preparation. First, slide all vegetables and after put on the pan to fry. Second, while vegetables fry, uh, we marinate meat with English sauce, soy, mustard, salt, and barbecue sauce. Pausa. Mix all and wait that ready. Third, slice meat and pieces and put on top on pan and mix with vegetables slow. Fourth, while the meat we prepare with vegetables, need our flour we have a smooth texture without lumps. After make balls and flatten in circle shape. After we put the arepas on greased pan and over low heat. After a few minutes, the arepa is roasted and both sides the meat ready. We are ready to serve. Plate, yeah? We take a plate, the arepa on one side and the other the meat, and that's it. As we can see, is a okay guys, we can see is a simple delicious